Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the objects and how to manipulate the objects, how to delete an object, how to add a new element in the object. So all these things we are going to learn in this JavaScript course, right? So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, how to create an object. So to create an object, it's let's say my object, right? So here you need to pass the parenthesis. Here you can define the key and say name string comma last name is supposed to be at age where you can add class or the course and say JavaScript, right? This object we have created. Let's console the object console.log. So here we can console the log my object with my object. Okay, so let's go to the full browser, localhost, JavaScript, localhost, PHP, JavaScript, JS, start. So in console, so object we have created. This is the object, full-fledged object, right? So let's move to the next part. Assess the elements of the array. So how you are going to assess? First step is done. Create a new JavaScript object. Next, we have how to assess the elements of the array. How you will assess this? So it's very simple. You can also console.log with the dot name. I want the name, what exactly it is. So just put the name, and here first name, first name. Okay. So here I'm going to getting my first name. That reload it, Rajnikant. So this way you can assess the values in the object, right? So this assessing the elements of the array, this is done. Get the keys of the object. Only I want only the keys, these keys. So this is there is a function. So there is object dot keys dot. So this way we can get the keys of the object. So here I am going to get the object keys, get all keys, right? So here my object I have passed over it. Let's console it. Get all keys, name, last name, age, and codes. All these keys we are getting it, right? Next step we have how to get the values of the object. So this is the way to get the values of the object, only values. Rajnikant, this. So let's console it, get the values, get keys. Here we can get the values, get the values. So object dot values, object dot keys for getting the keys, object dot values for getting the values. Let's run it. So here we are getting all the, you can say, values. Let's move to the next step. Get the length and size of the object. So object dot length, we are going to console dot log. So get the length of the object. Here, whether you want the keys, values, it will give you the same one. Get the length of object, right? So here I'm going to reload this and check. Length is 4, 1 2 3 4, correct. Next we have change the value of any particular key. Okay, so let's go to that. So I want to change the codes to be JavaScript to JS, right? So here I'm going to console this log. First, um, my object my object dot course, sorry, course equal to, I'm putting it like JS, right? And I'm going to console that log, my full object. So let's console.log full object, after value change, after value changes, right? So it gonna be what? So comma this and just paste this my object, correct? Let's run this. Now the value of the course is JS, right? So this is how we have modified. Okay, so change the value of any particular key. So we have changed it, right? Add item property to that object. So how we are going to add any property? So it's very simple. You can copy again. You can my object dot you can say education education equal to 10th. Let's console it. What is going to printing? Okay, we load this. Education is added. See, in the current object. So this is how we can add any of the data in the current object with the help of this. This is the object, what key that you want to insert and with their values, right? So it will give you the answer. Next we have remove item property from an object, that we have the delete, and after the delete you just need to write, copy this, in this you just need to paste delete object. I want to put the object education, right? So after that I'm going to console this full-fledged, control X, control V. Let's run this. So you can see that only that is available, and this is removed, education part is removed. So this all the things that we have learned about the objects, right? And hope you understand the concepts of the objects. Next video we will extend this object session for more manipulation with the data. Thank you so much for watching our video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Bye bye.